guys, welcome to another video of James's Science Adventures. Today we have a special guest, Pikachu here, who is a balloon. And he is happy to learn how to blow up a balloon with a chemical reaction. He is very interested here. So you need baking soda for vinegar, a small pop or water bottle, a tablespoon, a balloon, and a funnel. Now we are going to add about a tablespoon of baking soda. So actually a tablespoon. Okay, I got close enough. Wait. We've already attached our balloon and get in there to our funnel. So that's why we don't have to worry. Now shake it so you can get the baking soda in. Okay, I put in as much as I could. Don't worry, kids. If you can't get some in, it's fine. Just leave it. So now we have carefully removed our balloon and washed out our funnel. Next we are going to add our vinegar. My mom added a lot. Fill it up to about the middle. There. Some of it is still, okay. Now all of it is filled in. Next we are going to add our balloon to here without spilling our baking soda. Ba-doom. So if you need to, have a parent help you. Put the balloon onto it without spilling your baking soda. Now I am going to do this. Oh, oh come on. What? Oh, it's filled. It's still, yeah, I gotta hold this. Right. This is getting heavy, man. The reason this is working is because of the carbon dioxide rising up. And carbon dioxide is a gas, and gas has only one way to go, but up. So thank you for watching another video of James's Science Adventures, and make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button and hit that bell icon. Bye. Hope you have a great day.